Welcome back to Eric's Think Nomad channel. Today's topic is, are energy drinks really helping you? Energy drinks promise instant energy, better focus, and enhanced performance. But are they actually helping you, or could they be doing more harm than good? Let's break it down. What's inside an energy drink? Most energy drinks contain three key ingredients: caffeine, sugar, and additives like taurine and B vitamins. But how do they affect your body? Caffeine boosts alertness but can cause crashes. Sugar provides quick energy but leads to fatigue later. Additives some claim benefits, but research is mixed. The science behind energy drinks. Caffeine works by blocking a chemical called adenosine, making you feel more awake. But too much can lead to anxiety, jitteriness, heart palpitations, and even sleep disruption. Do energy drinks actually help? In reality, energy drinks might give you a short boost, but they don't actually improve focus or performance in the long run. Studies show that while caffeine can temporarily increase alertness, too much can hurt memory and concentration. The hidden dangers. Did you know? Over 20,000 emergency room visits in the US each year are linked to energy drinks. Combining caffeine and sugar, especially with alcohol, can lead to serious health risks, including heart problems and potential addiction. What are better alternatives? So, what's a better way to boost energy? Try these alternatives. Water and hydration. Dehydration causes fatigue. Balanced meals. Protein and healthy carbohydrates provide sustained energy. Better sleep is the real energy booster. Energy drinks might seem like a quick fix, but they come with risks. Next time you're feeling low on energy, consider healthier, longer-lasting options. Your body will thank you. What do you think about energy drinks? Have they helped or hurt you? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.